everybody? It's Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. We got two box break here. Topps Finest Baseball. This is for Danny O. I'll stay open tonight as late as you guys want, as long as we're still selling singles. So, do you guys? If you guys want stuff, we'll stay up. Otherwise, we'll call it a night. Here we go. 213 Finest boxes for Danny. Good luck, man. Danny watching live from a pub in Australia. See you later, Larry. That's what he said. Said he's at a pub. Having lunch at a pub. So, see what we pull him here. Yeah, I heard the bunny got pulled, yep. If I have enough people to do a perfect game divisional, the only problem is I don't think we can do a perfect game divisional. None of those guys, or some of those guys haven't been drafted yet. So, yeah, we can't. You pulled the Machado, Adam? So you have the Superfractor auto of Machado from Finest? Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, that's still awesome. Cool. Good deal. Fetch a nice dime for you. Yeah, the Tier 1 cases were, as usual, off the hook. Brad brought the mojo. He does, man. He's got some good mojo. Especially lately, man. We may have to do more Tier 1 with him. If he pulls, keeps pulling cards like that. Okay, there's another relic. Sung, did you get 2K14 yet, or what? Are you still rocking GTA? Nice. People think Bumo gets direct cases from Topps, too. Yeah, I heard about the post where Brad, or people say that Brad gets direct cases from Topps. Nope, they come direct from us. Train derailment mojo. Yeah, and that's the reason why we get monster hits, because we open a ton of product. It's like newsflash, people. You open a lot of product, you're going to get some good hits. That'll happen. Okay, one hit. Slide that on the bottom. Get a refractor in there, too. Well, that's not very nice, Joe. We're going to have to reprimand you to Mama True. Ooh, thick back. Yep. Alright, Danny Cho's good. It's got one of the thick ones, looks like an orange. Set that Set on the bottom. Here we go, guys. Start on this side. Good luck, everybody. Blade out or blade in. Alright, get this to focus first before we start. It might be an orange Jerko. Truedale. Good luck, Danny. Alright, Garrett Cole green out of 199 for you. Nice card there. Green rookie card, Garrett Cole. There's a Finest Granderson. Refractor, Matt Cain. Refractor, Starling Castro. And looks like a green 93 coming. Green 93 of Darvish. Nice card. Unnumbered there. Baseball's finest all-stars, Darvish. The reprint. Nice card. There you go, Danny. And looks like a refractor, Cespedes. There's a Myers rookie. And a Hamels base. And here's the rest of that stack. Focus here. Did Darvish finally sign a bunch of redemptions? Nice. Alright, Robbie Cano, X-Fractor. You got another X-Fractor. Auto, nice card. Mike Zunino, X-Fractor autograph for the Mariners. That's out of 149. 76 out of 149. Zunino X-Fractor auto. Sharp looking card there. That is gorgeous. Alright. And Wainwright refractor. Looks like another X-Fractor coming up. It is Chapman for the Reds. X-Fractor. And your last auto is a auto relic of, just to focus for you. It just doesn't want to focus. It is who would have thought? Manny Machado. Opening up 2013 Topps Manny Machado, and we pull a Manny Machado auto relic. Good stuff. So there you go, Danny. Nice box there. Zunino X-Fractor auto and a Machado auto relic. Alright, other stack. You got a jumbo orange on this side. And an autograph to find. So here we go. Good luck. Yeah, it is. It'll kill the value of them, though, because there's so damn many. There we go. Focus, and here we go. X-Fractor, King Felix. Refractor, Cliff Lee for the Phils. Got a Jerko Refractor. Another base refractor coming up, it appears. Verlander. Verlander base refractor. X-Fractor is Mike Olt for the Rangers. Dickey refractor. And looks like you got a red. I think we saw that earlier. Red coming up. It is 13 of 25. 13 of 25 on the red. Trevor Rosenthal, red refractor, rookie card for the Cardinals. And Danny, that's your PC team, so cool card there for you. Rosenthal for the Cardinals, 13 of 25 red. And you still got two autos left. Slide this other auto on top of the relic. Okay, here you go. Good luck, man. End of the box. Another refractor is Robbie Cano. Green for the Yankees out of 199.29. And your final two hits. Here's your autograph. It is another Cardinal for you. Carlos Martinez. He throws heat. Carlos Martinez for St. Louis. And your auto relic is a jumbo orange. 95 out of 99. 95 out of 99 is Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. And it's got a little piece of, that's just a piece of card on there. Came right off. So Nolan Arenado for the Rockies, that's 95 out of 99. Not too bad. Decent two-box break there. Couple nice refractors. Two real nice autos with the Zunino and the Machado. So there you go, man. Let me save those for you. And anybody else up next for single